welcome to my Abacus English tutorial. Today I am going to do lots of exercises based on basic techniques of multiplication on the Abacus, and questions are on your screen. So let's do some more exercises for better understanding, and you have to do practice by yourself so you can repeat same question by yourself. Okay, so let's start. Here is your question. 65 multiplied by 3. We have 3 digits in our question. 1, 2, 3. This is marked dot. Start from this dot. 3 6 are 18. 3 change your rod. 3 5s are 1 5 15. And your answer is 195. 3 digits start from this rod. 9 7s are 63. Change your rod. 9 2s are 1 8 18, and your answer is 648. 8 4s are 32. Change your rod. 8 3s are 24, and your answer is 344. 8 4s are 32. 4 4s are 1 6 16, and your answer is 336. 5 9s are 45. Change your rod. 5 7s are 35, and your answer is 485. Starting from this rod. 3 3s are 9, so you have to put 0 in front of 9 because 9 is only one digit, and this pointed rod goes 10th positions of answer, but we have only one digit, so we have to put 0 in front of it. 0 and 9. This is another technique. Change your rod. 3 2s are 6. Again you have to put 0 0 6, 0 and 6, and your answer is 96. 2 1 is 2 0 2. Here change. 2 4s are 8 0 8 here, and your answer is 2 8 28. 21 multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6 0 6. Change. 3 1 is 3 0 3, and your answer is 6 3. 4 1 is 4 0 4. Change. 4 2s are 8 0 8. So here, and your answer is 4 8 48. 11 multiplied by 7. 7 1 is 7 0 7. Change. Again 7 1 is 7 0 7, and your answer is 7 7 77. Next, start from the start. 4 4s are 16. 1 6 16. Change. 4 2s are 8 0 8 0 8, and your answer is 168. 6 9s are 54. Change. 6 1 is 6 0 6. Change, and your answer is 546. 2 7s are 14. Change. 2 4s are 8 0 8, and your answer is 148. 8 6 are 48. 8 1 is 8 0 8, and your answer is 488. 9 2s are 18. Change. 9 1 is 9 0 9, and your answer is 189. 3 2s are 6 0 6. Next, 3 9s are 27 20 and 7, and your answer is 8 7 87. 7 1 is 7 0 7. Change. 7 3s are 21 21, and your answer is 9 1 91. 2 3s are 6 0 6. Change. 2 8s are 16 1 and 6, and your answer is 7 6. 8 1 is 0 8. 8 7s are 56, so you have to add 5 and 6, but we have only one value here, so we have to reduce this 5 and borrow this one, and we added 5 here and 6, and change. Your answer is 136. This is how to borrow beads to place answer, this technique. Okay, next is 18 multiplied by 8. 8 1 is 8, 0 8, 8 8 are 64. So you have to add 6 here and 4 here. To add 6, this is 3-step addition and subtraction. Add 1, reduce 5 and borrow this one. We added 6 here and 4 goes to this rod, and your answer is 144. Okay, let me tell you, if you don't know how to do addition and subtraction on the abacus, you can do multiplication. So if you are going to start abacus, you have to start from the addition and subtraction. Okay, without that you cannot do multiplication on the abacus. So please watch my episodes. Links are in the description box, and find our playlist. Episodes are in English, Nepali, Hindi language, and some episodes are in Japanese language also. And here I have to tell, do not comment on any language of mine, because I am not perfect enough. I am trying to explain and I have some requested. That is why I am making these videos in 4 different languages. So do not comment on any languages. I respect all languages, all cultures. Okay, so thank you for being here. So let's move to another exercises. 94 multiplied by 5, 3 digits. 9 5s are 45, and 4 5s are 20, and 0 you don't need to do anything. So your answer is 470. These are 2 digits multiplied by 1 digits exercises based on basic rules of the multiplication on the abacus. Please do these exercises by yourself one more time, and if you want some more exercises, I will provide you. Please, you have to comment me. Okay, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and keep learning. Next episode will be 3 digits multiplied by 1 digits based on basic techniques of the abacus. Until then, ta-ta.